Welcome to the e-stamping tutorial on how to amend a stamp certificate. In our example, we will be making amendments to the market value of the property and applicable ABSD rate of a sale and purchase stamping record. After logging in via SingPass, click on Request. Select Amend or Revise Stamping Record. Input the document reference number that you wish to amend or revise. Click Retrieve. You will be directed to the stamping form. Go through the details under Getting Started and identify the field you wish to amend. If the field you wish to amend is not on this page, scroll to the bottom and click Continue. In this example, we will be editing the market value of the property. Please click on the pencil icon. The form will be in editable mode for you to amend the market value. Please key in the new market value. Once you have entered the new market value, click Update. Click Continue to proceed. Enter the total number of residential properties owned, including the current purchase. Click Determine ABSD rate. And the Determine ABSD rate will appear at the bottom of the page. Please review the ABSD rate. If all is in order, click Continue. Select the type of remission, relief, or exemption if applicable. Click Continue. Verify to ensure that all details are correct on the summary page. Click Edit beside the pencil icon to make further amendments. Once you have verified all details, tick the Declaration checkbox and click Submit to IRAS. A pop-up message will prompt you to proceed to make payment. Click Pay and proceed to make payment. Once payment has been successfully made, you can download the amended stamp certificate. We have come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.